I think you can see the implication here. Is it simply a sheer coincidence that we human beings are on the cosmic scene at that one moment we get to see everything? Or did someone have a purpose in us being able to witness the entire story of creation? Well, not only must the universe be very old, it must be extremely dark. And it's only been in the past few years that we've realized exactly how dark the universe is. Dark energy and two different kinds of dark matter add up to 99.73% of all the stuff of the universe. All those stars, galaxies, and planets and the remnants of those bodies, that's only 0.27%. But what physicists, including Lawrence Krauss, have concluded is that if the quantity of the dark stuff were changed by as little as 1 part in 10 to the 122nd power, no life would be possible anytime, anywhere in the universe. Now, we can compare that degree of fine-tuning design with the very best example of human engineering achievement, which would be a gravity wave telescope that's situated in the state of Washington, Louisiana, and in Pisa, Italy. This machine is so well engineered and designed that it can make measurements to better than 1 part in 10 to the 23. But it literally ranks 10 to the 98 times inferior to the level of fine-tuning design we see just in this dark energy term. Now, my colleagues who are physicists and astronomers will agree with me that when we look at the space-time theorems, they tell us there must be a causal agent beyond space and time that brought the universe into existence, but they say that doesn't mean it's the God of the Bible. It doesn't mean it's a personal being. But I think this does, because what this piece of evidence is telling us is that this causal agent beyond space and time, at a minimum, is 10 to the 98 times more intelligent and more knowledgeable than the Caltech and MIT physicists that designed this amazing instrument, and at least that many times better funded than the U.S. taxpayer that made it all possible. And the point here is, we're not just looking at a causal agent that transcends space and time, we're looking at a personal being, because only a personal being can manifest the attributes of intellect, knowledge, creativity, and power, and care, and manifest it to a degree that's orders of magnitude greater than anything we human beings can manifest. But not only must the universe be extremely dark so that we would have a place to live, it must also be extremely dark so that we can see all of cosmic history. Earth must reside in the darkest possible spot where life is even conceivable. Let me show you how this plays out. Here we have the solar system orbiting about the center of the galaxy, and it crosses a spiral arm about once every billion years. But right now, we're halfway between the Sagittarius spiral arm and the Perseus spiral arm. And because we're halfway in between, we are not blinded by the bright light sources that are in the spiral arms. And likewise, we're not blinded by the light in the center of our galaxy because we're located so far away from the galactic bulge. If we were near the galactic bulge, the radiation there would kill us, but the light would be so bright we couldn't do any astronomy. And likewise,